In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your meta pixel on your Squarespace website. So currently I am on my Squarespace website, and if we come down into the settings page and we go over to click on marketing, we can see that we have a section right here where we can put a meta pixel in to better target your ads and promote your products. And if we actually go ahead and click on this, we have a section right here which says add pixel ID. So what we're going to have to do is head over to our Facebook events manager. And to be able to get to that, you will just need to type in facebook.com/events_manager2. You can go ahead and just take this bar right here, or you can just Google it and that will absolutely take you to the same place as well. And then you want to come down and click on data sources where you can actually find your current pixel. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and create one of your own. But in my case, I have a pixel already. It will take you to the overview page to start off with, but what you want to do is go ahead and click where it says settings, and then what you need to come down and is find your pixel ID. From here, you can just left click on it to copy the ID to your clipboard, and then you can come back into Squarespace and go and paste that into your section where it says add pixel ID, and there we can go ahead and click save. And basically, once we close off that, we have now officially added our meta pixel ID to our Squarespace website, and Facebook will be able to get some really good information on who is visiting our website so that we can better target our ads to the right people. Hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next one.